Okay, hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to get started in the UV editor. So let's get at it. First up, open up your block file, then resave it, File, Save Scene As. I'm going to change this to your last name underscore Steve underscore UV editor and save. Now, let's get right into it. Select your geo, so click and drag to select all. Go to UV up top. If this is not showing up, make sure that you have the modeling toolbars up, okay? So UV automatic, UV automatic. It's going to do this weird thing. Don't worry about it. Click out of it. Click and drag to select all again. Then go to UV, UV editor, UV, UV editor. Now, this can look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's really not as complicated as it seems. So, if you go to the outliner, let's start one thing at a time. Let's click on the head. We'll F to frame, adjust as you need. And then right click, drag to face. You can see that whenever we select a face, it reflects in the UV editor. So if I click the front face, you can see that it's highlighted. And then if I use my move tool, I can move it around. Now we want to move these faces around in a very specific way so that we can organize all the UVs instead of this giant mess. So let's start with the head, and we want to have this order. So the front face, the side, the back, the other side, top, and bottom. We want to arrange it so it's nice and organized. So I'm going to go back to here. All I'm going to do is select my head, select the front face in face mode. I already moved it out. If you want it to snap on the grid, you can hold down X for snapping and see how it snaps. I'll go to the next one. I'm going to go to this side, snap it next to it. You can even highlight these and see which one it goes. See this back face. This is the bottom face. I want it at the bottom. Side on this side. Then top up top. You can zoom in too if it's easier. If you want to snap it closer, you can. I'm not going to be as picky. I just want them near each other. Though I do like everything nice and neat. Nice. Cool. Now let's select the torso. So same thing. If you click on the head and torso, you can hold down Command and select both. You can have them both on the screen. That might be pretty good. Because the next part, after you organize the top, just like this, you're going to organize all the UVs next to each other like this. So the head and torso will be in the middle, the right side over here, the left side over there. So let's get at it. I want to get the torso up next. You can see that's the front. Let's snap it. I'm assuming this is the back. Yeah, this is back. I want the back right here. This is the side. I can tell because it's highlighted over here. Do y'all see that? How it's highlighting in red? If you don't, let me know. Just gonna continue to organize. Now these top pieces are not supposed to be up and down, but we'll fix that in the next lesson. I can tell that this is the top because it was highlighted. And I have my move tool on, so you can see that the move tool is now up there. But be sure if you move it around, you're in the UV editor and you're not moving it directly in the viewport. So just keep that in mind. You can zoom in, organize it a little more, make sure they don't overlap too much. That's pretty clean. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Do the next one. Got my arm. So I still got my other geometry selected so I could see. I want to put my arm, let's see what I have in my notes, over here. So I want to start with my right arm. Right arm will go up top. So let's get at it. So that's the front. That's the back. That's the side. That's the other side. That's the bottom. And that's the top. I can reorganize it. Hold down X to snap. Great. And then if I want the UVs closer, I just click and drag. I don't know if you could see it in the screen recording. So click, drag, then I can use it and move it all together. Condense everything up. Great. Now, I showed you, kind of half the body. I want you to do the whole thing. You should get it just like this. So let me get the UV editor on the side. So head, torso, right arm. Get the leg and the other arm and leg done. Make sure you save your file. If you have any questions, let me know in class. Organizing it can be a little tricky, but once you get it down, it'll make the process that much easier. Don't forget to save your file, Command S, or go to File and Save Scene. And that's it. Let me know if you need help. Have a good one.